What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're doing something a little bit different. We're going to be changing out this gas furnace, and this customer really wanted the Bosch heat pump, the high output heat pump, high efficiency 20 SEER system. And well, there's obviously some modifications that need to be done when you make that change over, right? So it mainly consists of the electrical portion. If you know, the gas furnace runs on 120, and we need to change this bad boy out and turn it into 220. So I'll show you how we do that. Let's go ahead and get started. And this is the unit out here. Yeah, it should be in my bag. This is the unit out here. Right now it's a straight cool air conditioner, and we're gonna switch it over to heat pump. All right, so that's what it looks like. I'll show y'all when we're all done. And this is what I mean by the electrical. You see there, currently the furnaces, or as they have labeled here, air handlers, are 120 20 amp circuits, but we're gonna turn them into 220 20 amp circuit. Alrighty, here is our new Bosch air handler. Again, this is the 20 SEER line. We have our insulated transition there, right? Our new air handler, as you can see, new filter base. There's a filter in there. I always like the magnetized ones. They can open, and close relatively easy. We just shut the gas off. We don't have to mess with that. And then of course we have our drain line, our new tin, right? And then I swapped this out and wired it for a 220. So it's a 220 plug, and it's wired for 220 now. So, all right, let's go look at the outside. Alrighty, and this is the breaker box. So you can see our old furnace breaker. I just shut it off because there's no wiring going to it, and I labeled it as empty. And now our new circuit here is 240, 2 pole, 20 amp, and that's to our air handler. Okay, that's pretty much it. Okay, and here is our finished product. That's the Bosch. New disconnect, new whip, new filter dryer, and we got our new unit. So there it is. That other one's coming soon. It's got a bad valve in it, so we'll be doing that next spring most likely. Well, that's pretty much it, y'all. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and we will see y'all on the next one. Peace.